have no political role in this country. If we had no political role, we wouldn't have sacrificed our lives, the only life that we have, to go and fight. It is not like we were young people who were trigger happy or, wanting to fire arms and so forth. It was the conscientization that we had which forced us to leave our homes, to leave school, to leave everything, to go and join the armed liberation struggle. A struggle that was protracted. A struggle that had a known beginning, but which had no known ending. So we sacrificed because we are politically conscious. This is why we joined, this is why we went to fight. Right. You realize that sometime last year, many people were, including ourselves here, were expelled from ZANU-PF, having as many labels as there can be in a dictionary of what we were thought and believed to be, because we were accused of having wanted someone to succeed the president. But what we had done then was just to tell the people, the nation, our armed struggle, revolutionary structure, what we had agreed, or what we agreed to be the structure of the revolution. But the same offense today was committed by retired Colonel Chingadue, the Minister of War Veterans, and you know what happened. Demonstrations were held in Harare and Bulawayo. That he must be fired because he had said the president should appoint a successor. But today, the same offense is now in State House. The First Lady has committed the same offense. But from an unknown base, unlike Colonel Chingadue, unlike ourselves, because we have a stake. But the only stake that the First Lady has is being married to the president. So we have been awaiting, listening, hoping to hear that dockets have been opened, riot and law and order police have gone to State House to arrest a person who has committed a crime that we also committed and got arrested for. If the application of the law is uniform, one or two scenarios should happen. One, that the First Lady should be arrested, or the expulsions and suspensions that were done on the 7 non-provincial chairpersons, youth chairpersons, and ourselves are null and void. What does that then mean? It means that the 7 provincial youth chairpersons with immediate effect should go and lead their provinces. And I and others are going to be in the next Central Committee meeting because we have not committed an offense. But Zimbabwe is a constitutional state. We have a constitution that runs this country. A constitution, unlike the Lancaster, which was done by very few people, we have a constitution that almost all of us participated in. And it has no provision whatsoever for what Dr. Grace Mugabe said yesterday. Kwanzi, where Drava Mugabe is fine now, may I humbly say to her, where Drava Mugabe is only a beginning. It's not a final, because it is not democratic. It does not carry the authority of this land. Zimbabwe does not belong to a family or a clan or the favored few. It belongs to all of us. So we are not going to allow a situation, whether dreaming or what, for people to think that they can do what Javelin Swanda said. From a home